If you are a woman and you love your smartphone, you are not alone. We use it for entertainment, like taking pictures, social network, watching videos, and listening to music. Smartphones also help us manage our daily lives. From the moment we open our eyes to track our fitness, for directions and payments, etc. However, the smartphone you have is too big that you can't even tap with one hand, or it's too small to comfortably watch the movies. You are not able to shoot pretty selfies in the dark environment, and the front camera make you look ugly. Besides, all the smartphones design is basically the same. Why isn't there a smartphone that's specially designed for women and it satisfies all your needs? Now, there is. Introducing Keiko K1. The design is compact and unique. It features 6P Sony cameras with front LED flash, PEX coining, antibacterial glass. K1 also has rich sound and stable hardware for smooth performance. The Keiko K1 automatically makes your skin look delicate and smooth. The 13 megapixels front camera and the animated selfie software will make you look stunning. You can comfortably text messages or surf the internet with one hand. We want to keep your smartphone clean and safe enough, so we use the antimicrobial Gorilla Glass on K1, which kills 99% of the bacteria on the mobile surface. The Keiko K1 is comfortable to carry when you are working out. It helps you stay motivated and improve your health by tracking your activity and exercise. Enjoy less lights and high-fidelity level music. You will be impressed by the loud sound, deep bass, clear and crisp music. The rear 13 megapixels Sony camera features super fast PDAF focus and quick shutter speed. You can capture the most exciting moments instantly. Sharp and clean 5 inches sharp display provides you outstanding view experience. The Keiko K1 also prevents the visual fatigue by decreasing the amount of Blu-ray. It's beauty outside and beast inside. This stable and fast quad-core processor can easily handle multitasks and big games. With f2.0 big aperture, more light would come into the camera and enhanced HDR technique. Let you capture more detailed and sharp images even in low light condition. The front-facing LED flash solves the problems of taking selfies in the dark environments. Now, you can capture beautiful selfies whenever you want.
The phone is the #1 item we couldn't leave home without. We are attached to it and we rely on it more than ever before. However, there wasn't any smartphone that is specially designed for women. A smartphone that understands what women want, how women use the phone, and that became our design concept. We designed a phone based on our using habits and needs. We use unique hexagonal design to break the rules, because we believe that all men are created equal, but we were born to stand out.